This is a dragon that Zorn's fixing up. You can see here what was originally there was the stencil of a dragon, but it wasn't very nice, so Zorn's just colouring it and putting in the scales, etc. As you can see down here, he hasn't quite finished it, but it's coming up very, very well.